In this video, I'm going to tell you how to activate voice chat on Roblox. So, guys, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. So, let's start the video. First of all, open the Roblox app on your phone. Make sure you have logged in your account. So, let's wait for a moment. And once the Roblox app open, now you have to go to three dots at the bottom. So you can see at the bottom there is three dots. Click on it, and now you have to scroll down and click on settings. When we click on settings, so guys, let me inform you first, if you want to activate voice chat on Roblox, before activating you have to verify your age on Roblox. So it is mandatory. So first of all, click on this option, account info, and when you click on it, it will ask you to verify your age. So when you scroll down, so there is a option called verify your age, but before verifying age you have to make sure that you have entered the correct date of birth here. So if you want to change, you can change the month from here, and this in the middle there is a date, and in the last you will find the years. So whatever the year of your birth you can enter here. And now once you enter the correct date of birth, just click on verify my age. When you click on it, it will start connecting. So click on restart a session. So it will redirect you to web version of it. Just click on let's go. So you can find the option blocked option here. Just expand this option and just click on this option and allow the permission to access camera on Roblox website. So once you allow the application or allow the camera on this particular website, if you try to connect again, it will let you go forward. And first of all, make sure you click the photo of your photo ID, front and back side. So once you select the guys front and back side of your photo ID, it will ask you to take selfie to verify your age. So once you're done with the verification of document, now when you go back to, if you thank you message will be shown after that, and just go back, open the previous option from here. It will take time to load, and now you can see the voice chat option has been appeared here. So you can basically see the voice chat on the screen. Just click on the toggle button to enable, and your voice chat will be enabled. So yeah, that's how you can do it. That's how you can activate a voice chat on Roblox. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.